Wabtec is one of the largest railway companies in the world, with over 27,000 people worldwide. We are part of the Fortune 500 with 8 billion turnover. I am Henri de Chassey. I am responsible of the obsolescence management. I am based in France, in Tours, where I'm supporting our customers worldwide on the issues they can face on spare parts. Our customers are daily facing issues on spare parts delivery, due to the fact that a life cycle of a train is very long. We are speaking about 35 to up to 50 years. We have to help them to get some parts, knowing that for them a train stop it's a very, very high cost. We are speaking about 200 euro per day. We have built with 3YOURMIND team a very strong relationship. The tool is giving you a couple of minutes of feedback on the printability level of the parts. It means that it's a very huge support for our team working in supply chain, in production or in purchasing, because they are getting a very quick feedback in a couple of minutes on the printability of the parts. The benefits are also regarding the screening, because you are able to get the feedback on the materials, on the lead time, on the cost and on the technology which can be used to do the parts. Additive manufacturing is an amazing support for the railway business, because you can reduce drastically the lead times. When we were speaking with a foundry about 3 months to 6 months to get some part, additive can deliver it in a couple of days. We are reducing by 80% the complete lead time of the production of the part. Secondly, to print the right quantity at the right time. And thirdly, the reduction of the stock. It means that we were able to, thanks to this digitalization, produce on the demand and get the just-in-time the part for the customer. We are also connecting with other partners on these platforms, and the huge benefit of that was to reduce the certification of the 3D printed parts. We are a railway supplier. We know the standard in railway, and we were able to test those parts, those printed parts, directly on the test bench in order to produce to customer a certificate that the part was fully respecting the railway standards. The idea would be to propose this kind of platform to our customer, but also to our supplier, in order to have a full lean process and all the information digitalized at the one location. We would like to create this kind of railway ecosystem to connect our supplier with our customer in order to propose to supply chain a 4.0 solution.